Hello guys, welcome. So I have name, company name, the role and field they have achieved. Do they have two-wheeler? Yes or no? We have filled in the details. So let's look into this problem. I would want to see only manager's details. It's pretty simple. It's like, you just see your manager details and just go filter, click here, filter on the data. I have filter. So, and then I just choose manager to get to see all the details. So I can click here to bring it back to its original state, or I can even click this. It will all be available. So this is sorted, and the next question is analysts not having two-wheelers. So I have two criteria over here. One is like the role pertaining to analysts, and then do they have two-wheeler or not. So I have to correct this. So what I do in this case, I just copy this first line and put it over here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for analyst details. So let me just copy this analyst here and the role, and I'm checking whether do they have yes or no. So I'm looking for people who do not have two-wheeler, right? So what and all options that I want to see? I would want to see name. I would want to see the role. I want to just check for unless, and then whether they have two-wheeler or no, right? So in this case, what do I do is I just use this data again. We have something called advanced filter. Click here, and it should not be in the same place, but then I want it in another location, right? So range data is A1 to F16, A1 to F16, that's right. And criteria range L1 to Q2. So the criteria range is L1 to Q2. So I just want to change this. See, it selected this portion. Sometimes it happens. And then copy to L9. Okay, let me change this location to right and click OK. You can get to see Mercy is the staff's name and the analyst who doesn't have a two-wheeler. So if it's cross-check, see, you can see Mercy, no two-wheeler, and she is an analyst. So this is right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful time.